I think this is going to be no comments video. So we're not going to comment on anything. We're not commenting, but you can see we live. We live. And that is the dresses. You can see the dresses. Nice dresses. We all preparing. You can see how the makeup's going. Very nice. I'm not sure you can see properly, but there is the dress. And I think when she's going to wear it, it's going to look wow. And we love it. And we're still getting ready. Nothing is ready yet, but we're going to be there soon. Yeah. This is the making of. I think I'm going to show you the final one, the final version. We're not there yet. Just to give you a taste how things is going to be. We are really, really busy, as you can see. But we're getting there. Yeah. Yeah, that is another one. I've got lots of cameramen. People are filming. So they're there. Yep.
For Florence, wedding today.
Yep.
We are in Georgia, Atlanta.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. It's gonna be amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Wow. Are you gonna say anything?
I say it's a special day today.
Yeah.
And then we're here to make it better.
Wow. Wow. Yeah. Wow. That is nice. Wow. Thanks. So, are you ready for tonight?
I'm getting there.
You're getting there.
Stay tuned.
Wow.
Come back.
All right then. We're gonna come back. Yep. So, are you ready? Oh, you're getting ready.
I'm ready for my sister wedding.
Wow.
Yep.
Wow.
So excited.
That's
I'm
amazing.
so happy for her.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, the blessing.
All the blessings.
Yeah, you can't see the bride right now because it's not finished yet, but that's a glimpse. She's there, she's getting ready. Well, that's what she's gonna wear. Stay tuned, and everything is gonna be revealed to you. Yeah. Wow. So you're getting ready as well?
Yes, we're getting ready.
Okay.
For the wedding. So it's all excited. Thank God.
Yeah. That's nice.
Yeah. That's all I have to say.
Yeah. Wow. Oh my God. That is really nice. Wow. That's how it's gonna be. Tonight is gonna be wow. Wow. So congratulations, my sister. And I think we can't wait for everything to start. So we're getting ready. We're waiting. Let me show you her hair. That is amazing. You can only see the glimpse. That is wow. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving everything. Yeah.
I wanna get the name on it or not.
The name?
Yeah. You can see.
Wow.
Miss Florence.
Wow. Wow. Jeez. Thank you. Il y a quelque chose que tu voulais parler aujourd'hui?
Aujourd'hui, c'est le mariage de mon beau-père et ma mère. Je suis très heureux d'être là aujourd'hui pour ce mariage et j'espère aujourd'hui ça va bien se passer et tout ça. Et je vous réserve une surprise tout à l'heure.
Wow. Et toi, c'est qui? Présente-toi.
Moi, c'est Emeneya, j'ai 14 ans et je suis le troisième fils de Florence,
Tu es beau.
Merci.
Ok, merci.
Thank you.
Hey, la maquilleuse. One word. So how are you preparing yourself? Okay. So you know, you guys, I'm gonna stop here now. I'll come back. By the time I come back, everything's gonna be ready, and I'll show you what we mean.
Coucou. Je peux pas parler. Je me fais belle.
Okay, we're coming back later. Yeah, bye. Bye, guys. So we're gonna stop. Wow. Can you see where we are? This is the hotel. That's it, the Chateau Elan. So we are in the chateau. It's really looking amazing. Wow. You have to be here. Bayate Barata. Wow, you have to suffer. This is Chateau Elan. Chateau Elan where we are. And we're gonna give you some nice life in the chateau. Chateau Elan. Thank you. Well, we come back. Bye.
Terminé. Clique on terminé. Terminé. Ici terminé. Clique on it.